guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jenny from Polly's Paper Studio, and today I have a card to share that I created with some dollar store stickers and an embossing folder from my stash, which I need to use more often because it was a lot of fun and I think that it added a lot of beautiful detail to this card. So let's make it together. I've got a card base here that is A2 size, and I'm going to begin layering some pattern papers that are matted with a pretty soft blue cardstock, and I'm going to use this as my base. So the next layer is going to be a white cardstock that I ran through with this embossing folder that has a honeycomb, and that is going right in the center. I think this is a great way to replace pattern paper with a texture, just for a little something different. Now I've got a banner shape that I cut from a stripe. I've added a clip here and then put some dimensional foam tape on the back, and I want to add it here just almost in the center. I'm going to top that with this sweet little doily. And now I can bring in that sticker from the sticker sheet. So to make this more upscale, I guess you'd say, I added it to some white cardstock that was the 110 pounds, so it was very sturdy. I clipped around it, and then I added some of that craft foam to the back so I can build it up as a layer, and that will make it look much nicer. And that is going right in the center. This little sentiment I created with my old school Dymo label maker, and I think it gives a very nice detail. So I added that to some cardstock as well, and did the same process as for the sticker so that I could pop it up. And I'm just going to add it right here. So you see we've got one dimensional item, two-dimensional item, three-dimensional item, and four. So we've really built this up. Here is a small collection of flowers. This is the Fiorella Ocean Mist, and that is a very soft, pretty blue. I added some loopy twine bows in there to fill that in. And I'm just going to add that to the top. And here is a sweet little bow from Really Reasonable Ribbon Trim. It has a nice silvery sort of edge to it, metallic. And I'm just going to tuck that underneath these leaves, or the petals of the flower. Two final elements for this card are going to be some vintage buttons. And that is it for our card. So if you enjoyed this project, give me a like, leave me a comment, and if you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe. As always, I'm wishing you a happy and productive day, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye!